AI tools are everywhere, but not all of them live up to the hype. So I decided to try Monica AI, an all in one assistant promising email help, document summaries, image editing, and more, all for free. Hi, you guys, I'm Anmol Wayman, an AI product analyst at allaboutai.com. In this video, I'll share my honest review of Monica AI based on my personal experience using its free version. Let's dive in and see if it's really worth your time. Let's start with the basics, the pricing. Monica has a free version which I am currently using right now to make this review. It includes a good range of features like email assistant, mind maps, and document handling. However, some advanced features like choosing O1 preview, GPT-4, Claude 3.5, Gemini 1.5 Pro are locked behind the paid version. If you're on a budget or just exploring AI tools, the free plan offers enough to get started, but keep in mind there are limitations, which I'll discuss as we go ahead. Alright, so we are at the interface right now. This is what it looks like. It's pretty user friendly. I'll just go ahead and give you a quick run on the tools that it offers. There's a writer tool, there's translate, humanize, humanize your AI generated content. There's a chat PDF, like you can give a PDF to the chat and the bot will answer all your questions. A mind map, like you can strategize a lot of the things, you can give a lot of the links we'll discuss later. AI search, bots, read, there's memo, there's detect AI generated content, there's a toolbox which is great. I just loved it. I'm going to talk about it. Writing agent, this feature is entirely premium, okay, and you need to pay for it. So if you want to get, as I said, if you want to get Claude 3, if you want to get GPT-4, you got to pay for it. And then there's this amazing and insanely perfect podcast feature. I'll show you what it is like. Okay, so what I basically did was put my blog in here and I wanted to see how well it performs in the podcasting, and you guys really need to listen to this.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, Monica AI. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of absolutely, you're spot on. While Monica AI is powerful, it does have some cons. For instance, there's no
Okay, so this perfectly actually gives you timestamps as well, which is amazing. You can just put in there, put on your Spotify or whatever audio channel that you have, and it's going to help increase your business engagement. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'll just quickly run you through the features. So this was the right feature, and I gave it the tone, the length, and all of that, and I gave it some reference content, and this is what it had to come up with. I wanted a Twitter tweet, so it's here. And then there's this translation feature which I translated English to German, and these are the answers from multiple tools, which is great. There's this humanizer where you can just humanize your content, whatever is written. So I just took my script and like put it up there just to see how well it does. I think there's a lot of room for the humanizing thing, because let me be honest, what I've written is already humanized and I've written it myself. So this stuff right here does not seem to be sitting well with humanizing content. Next up, I gave it a PDF and a document, and this is what it had to come up with. It gave me all the answers, it gave me all different sections, and it's already diverted. I can just extract information from here, which is a plus point. There was this AI mind map thing. Here is my favorite, the mind map option. Let me just quickly show you. I asked for like social media success, and this is how it has categorized everything. Asked me to make what type of content, what would be engaging, what not be engaging. This is great. You can just run the chain over and over again and analyze it for yourself. Next up is the AI search feature. I basically just inserted one keyword, which was AI tools, and this is what it had to give me. There are multiple answers from multiple LLMs and search engines. Okay, and there's this content which is perfectly generated. You can reshare, you want to align, you can go ahead and align. Now we're at my favorite tool, which is the toolkit. Basically, there's like multiple PDF tools. You can chat with PDF, you can AI resume your scanner, PDF to Word. There's image tools. Basically, you can just remove objects, you can remove text, you can add a lot of things. And then there is AI content detector, which we have already utilized. Now, I'm going to show you the magic of the Google extension. I have pinned it already, and here it is. It's amazing. It's, all the features that we have seen, you can access those right in here, and you do not even have to change the tabs. You can be on any tab and you can just go ahead and chat with your Monica. So let's say tell me the stats for biggest football match of the world. Let's see what it has to say. There we have it, all the details right here. You can go ahead and communicate. And if you want to go back, what you can do is you can come back to discover, and all your apps would be right here, so you don't have to even go ahead and change your tabs to access any of the features that we have just discussed. However, there's one more cool thing about the extension. So let's say if I want to answer something, I'll come up here and I'll say AI reply. It has summarized everything that's written in this long email, and now it's my time to give it command to write and generate an email and send it to the user. Decide and answer yourself. Let's see how it performs on this. Let me play generate. That's great. It has a formally written email, and what I can do is just basically send it in. Also, one more interesting thing is when I go on Google and I search about something, all I have to do is mark the answer, and Monica is there to help me. You can go ahead and quickly ask any question you want, or you can just highlight your answer. This is literally happening in the search engine. I mean, isn't this great? View in memo. Let's see how does it show. There we have it. We are going to view it in memo. So yeah, all in all, this tool has really impressed me. And if you ask me, is Monica AI worth your time, I'd honestly say yes, but with some changes and some more flexibility with respect to the free version, because I do want to explore the writing part and I do want to explore other elements. The free version, of course, offers a lot, I won't lie, from email management to document handling and even mind maps. Mind maps just blew my mind, man. For small business or individuals, it's a great starting point. Therefore, I'd give it a solid 4 out of 5. It's a versatile tool and it's easy to use, so it's a great go. Now, before we go, you need to tell me, have you tried Monica AI? Share your experience in the comments and let's discuss if you have found this review helpful or not. Give it a like and subscribe to All About AI for more honest AI tool reviews. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But before we go, I want you to comment and tell me which tool you want me to cover next. Bye bye, you guys.